A natural, golden liquid that not only adds sweetness to your life. Fly from flower to flower. Harvesting, it's important to prepare well. A beekeeper suit, helmet, and gloves are a must for safety. Using smoke helps calm the bees, making it easier to check the hives without upsetting them. The hive tool helps separate the frames, while the bee brush gently moves the bees without harming them. Step by step, the bees are carefully moved out of their nectar-filled combs or placed into neat boxes. I have to give credit to this beekeeper who doesn't even wear protective smooth consistency for easy pouring. Next comes the automated filling process. And reducing the need for manual labor. Eating a spoonful of honey before meals can help soothe your stomach and improve digestion, thanks to its enzymes and antioxidants. The fruit gets a gentle shake to remove any extra moisture. Why is it so important to keep the fruit dry? Excess moisture can cause the fruit to spoil faster. It affects the fruit's structure, making it softer, brown, or even moldy. Keeping the fruit dry helps extend its shelf life and maintain its quality. Once the pineapple chunks are ready, they go through a fluffing process that ensures the pieces don't stick together when frozen. This technique helps keep each chunk separate, preserving its individual flavor and texture. After sorting, the chunks are packed into large containers for storage. For all the raspberry lovers, get ready to see the biggest raspberry harvest and freezing process you've ever witnessed. These large fruit harvesters are used to pick the berries from the fields efficiently. However, the machines need skilled workers to operate them properly, ensuring the berries are picked at the right time. Once the raspberries arrive at the factory, they're inspected to remove any damaged ones and then cleaned thoroughly. Afterward, they're moved onto the conveyor belt to dry off and are frozen right away. The same fluffing process is applied to prevent the berries from freezing into clumps. The frozen raspberries are then sorted, and each berry is treated like an individual piece of deliciousness. If you enjoyed watching this behind-the-scenes look at bulk food production, we'd love for you to join us. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more exciting videos on how everyday products are made. So please subscribe my channel for more information. Thanks.